Hi, my name is Lisa, and I just want to do a quick video to tell you about a new product launching today. It's called the Fast Start System, and it's a Black Friday offer. It's developed by Andrew Brocklehurst, and previous I have bought some of Andrew's products, and I find them very good. They are simple and easy to use, and they create big value. So that's why I also wanted to dive into this one and take a look at it and see what it is and whether I liked it, and I did. Let's go to the sales page to have a look at that. You can see here it comes with a big promise up here. It's start banking real money in 72 hours or less, and so this is a product that will help you to get some money in the pocket. Here is also a very good testimonial. It's a guy who also have tried Andrew's products before, and he's also very satisfied with what he used to get, and this product too. If you can see here, then what this is about, it's easy to learn and easy to implement. It's not a lot of work. You will get result fast, and also the required investment is very low. Anyone can do this, even total newbies. This product is about squeeze pages, sales pages, opt-in pages. If you don't already have your own squeeze pages, then I think this is a very good tool to add into your toolbox, because you need to have your own squeeze pages. That's a way to stand out from the crowd, and that's the most important tool to build your list. And you need to build a list whatever niche you are in. So that's very essential to have some good opt-in and squeeze pages, and this tool will help you do that. It can create very nice squeeze pages. You can do them very individually. You can make them long, you can make them short, and all kind of graphics. So you really get some good things here. The very interesting part here is the price. It's only $12, and as you can see here, there is no upsell, which means when you buy this product, there won't come a lot of pop-ups afterwards trying to convince you that you also need this and this and this tool to earn your money. This one is like a standalone. You buy this one and then you're good to go. You can see here also Andrew provides you with a 30-day money-back guarantee, which means that if you buy the product and you don't like it, then you can get a full refund within 30 days. So actually there's no risk in this. It's just buy the product, test it, build your sites, see how you will do with it, and if it doesn't, then you have a guarantee for a full refund. So below this video there's a link, so if you click the link you will come to this sales page and you can buy this one. If you go there and click the link, buy this product, I will give you a bonus. I have this Ultimate Niche Domination. It's a book where you can learn how to dominate some of the most powerful niches instantly. And there is some tools that help you to evaluate the niche you are in, or if you are considering to go into a new niche. It is also, there's a lot of information about the desperate niches, which are some very powerful niches to be in because there's a lot of money in there. You will learn how to do some keyword search, and there's some tools in here to learn you how some method to how to monetize this, and also a big resource list. So a lot of invaluable information here for building your niche, and that is my gift to you if you click the link below and get the Fast Start System from Andrew. So click the link below, send your receipt to me by email, and then I'll send you this bonus. Thank you for listening. Bye.